It's just I haven't seen Atlas.
You don't know where she is, so you can't see her.
I haven't tried to find her.
You know why I saw him? I saw him because he's been begging me for months. I saw him so he'd sign.
So, has he signed?
Yes.
Congratulations. You're divorced. Double divorced. You slept with him. What do you expect me to do?
Understand.
Why didn't you lie to me?
Because we said we'd always tell each other the truth.
What's so great about the truth? Try lying for the change. It's the currency of the world.
I did what he wanted so he'd leave us alone. I love you, and I didn't give him anything.
Your body?
If Alice came to you desperate with all that love still between you, and she said that she needed you to want her so that way she can get rid of you, I'd understand it too. But I wouldn't be mad. It's kindness.
No, it's cowardice. You haven't got the guts to let him hate you. It's gone. We're not innocent anymore.
Don't stop loving me. It was a stupid thing to do, and it didn't mean anything. And if you love me enough, you'll forgive me.
Done. I want you to kill him now.
That was terrible. That was terrible.
He fucked another woman.
No, she did.
Yeah, but it's your fault.
It's my fault that she fucked another guy. Her ex.